Oceans, written by Fran Howard. What is an ocean? Oceans are big bodies of salt water. They are the biggest bodies of water on Earth. Oceans are also habitats. Habitats are the places where plants and animals find food, water, and places to live. Different plants and animals live in different habitats. There are many plants and animals that live in the world's oceans. Oceans have waves. Fish live in the ocean. Where are oceans found? The Earth has 5 oceans. All 5 oceans are connected. They cover about 70% of the Earth's surface. Oceans contain most of the water on Earth. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest. The other oceans are the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Parts of the Southern and Arctic Oceans are covered in ice. A view of the Pacific coast. A beach on the Pacific Ocean. Plants of the ocean. The top layer of the ocean is sunlit. The bottom layers are dark. Most plants and animals live in the sunlit zone. But there are plants and animals that live in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. Fields of grass grow underwater. Seagrass supplies food and shelter for animals. Plankton are small plants and animals that float in the oceans. Many animals eat plankton. Some trees even grow in shallow ocean waters. These are called mangrove trees. Mangrove trees offer food and shelter for animals. This ocean plant captures plankton. Fish and other ocean animals. Many interesting animals live in the oceans. The clownfish is an orange and white striped fish. Clownfish live closely with sea anemones. Sea anemones look like flowers, but they eat fish. They have colorful tentacles that look like fingers. A clownfish with a sea anemone. An anemone. Sea anemones hide clownfish. Clownfish clean sea anemones and protect them from certain fish. The octopus lives on the ocean floor. An octopus has 8 arms, called tentacles. Sometimes it squirts dark ink at its enemies. Clownfish and sea anemones help each other. An octopus. Sea turtles are different from land turtles. Sea turtles cannot hide in their shells like other turtles. Sea turtles also have flippers, designed to help them swim. And some sea turtles eat seagrass. Others eat fish. A sea turtle. Sea turtles are good swimmers. Some sea turtles eat jellyfish. Sharks are some of the biggest fish in the ocean. Sharks are good hunters. They eat fish and turtles. Some sharks have heads shaped like a hammer. These sharks are called hammerheads. Hammerhead sharks live in warm oceans. A hammerhead shark. Sharks have teeth that grow in rows. They use their teeth to eat fish and turtles. Sharks hunt for their food. Penguins are ocean birds, but they cannot fly. They have flippers instead of wings. Penguins use their flippers to swim through the water. Penguins live in the southern part of the world. They spend time on land and in the water. Most penguins swim in icy oceans. A penguin's body is designed to help keep it warm. Mammals of the ocean. Some mammals live in the oceans too. Manatees are mammals that live in warm oceans. Manatees are also called sea cows. Manatees in the ocean. Manatees can stay underwater for 20 minutes. Manatees eat seagrass and other plants found in the ocean. Dolphins are mammals that live in oceans too. They live and hunt in groups. Manatees move very slowly underwater. Dolphins can dive. Dolphins can jump. Whales are the biggest mammals in the ocean. The beluga whale lives in the icy Arctic Ocean. Beluga whales are slow swimmers. Killer whales are bigger than belugas. Killer whales hunt other whales, dolphins, and turtles. A beluga whale. A killer whale. Polar bears spend a lot of time swimming in the Arctic Ocean. Polar bears eat seals. Sometimes they even eat beluga whales trapped in the ice. Polar bears hunt for food in the water. Polar bears have white fur. It matches the snow. The polar bear's body is designed to help keep it warm. Why are oceans important? People and animals need oceans. People eat fish caught in the ocean. People also use oceans as waterways for boats. Boats move people and things from place to place. Oceans supply people with water. People and animals need oxygen to breathe. Ocean plants produce oxygen. Ocean plants make up 71% of the Earth's oxygen. Some people sail on the ocean waters. Without oceans, the Earth could become too cold or too hot. Oceans cool the land in winter and warm it in the summer. Ocean animals and plants need each other. Together, they form a food chain. Even the smallest plants and animals are part of the food chain. Ocean plants and animals cannot live without their habitat. An ocean wave. Baleen whale. Krill. Plankton. Fun facts. Oceans. Kelp grows from the ocean floor. It can be more than 200 feet, 60 meters, tall. This is taller than most trees. Earthquakes can sometimes cause giant waves called tsunamis. Tsunamis are very fast. The waves can travel for thousands of miles. Sometimes tsunamis harm people and cities. There are fossils in the ocean. The ocean floor shifts and moves all the time. There are mountains and volcanoes underneath the ocean. Important words: food chain, the order in which plants and animals feed on each other. Fossil, the remains of a very old animal or plant, commonly found in the ground. A fossil can be a bone, footprint, or any trace of life. Mammal, most living things that belong to this special group have hair, give birth to live babies, and make milk to feed their babies.